Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So the air conditioner fuse, where you can expect to find it, guys. We will demonstrate on this 2009 model Chevy Silverado. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes and today we'll be working in just one. The fuse box that we need is under the hood. Go ahead, pop the hood open. Facing the right side, guys. On the engine right here you can see, facing the engine on the right side you have that cover. Remove it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here for the air conditioner you have just one fuse that you need to check. Now this guys right here is towards the front of the truck, this is towards the windshield side. So now this is the passenger side, driver side. Here the fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 17. Where it's located, it's just a 10 amp fuse, guys. And that fuse number 17, we're talking about this one right here for the air conditioner that you will need to check. We have a special video that explains why air conditioner doesn't work or why AC blows hot, warm air. If you need help with that, check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.